So for the detail, I'm going to use the panel. So maybe I'll choose this one, 50. Okay. And then create, create a view, 3D view. Okay, so here, I can just simply add the, okay, look, I'm going to add the steel lifting, so D20. So maybe I'll put this one as 100, okay? And then here, I'm going to move a little bit, maybe 20. And then also, I will use the, I can also use the steel item here. And then 80, there you go. Yeah. So here, I can just simply delete or part cut, okay? And then Control 4 and delete that one. So I don't need the ball actually. I don't need that one. So this, I'm going to add to assembly. So I add that one to assembly before moving. So meaning I can just simply move. Let's say this one is to 700 and then copy. So here, if this one is 2, 3, then I will put 1, 6. Okay, so this is my lifting. Okay, so I can select this one and then edit. Oh, sorry. Create define custom component. This time is detail. Okay, so we got already the part connection. This time is detail. CIGBS underscore lifting. Next. So next, main part. So select the main part and then next. So here, there is an option here. You want to select a reference point, you need to pick one point. But if you select a main part, then that's it. No need for you to click the second point. Okay, just click the main part, it will add, which is much better. So finish that one. And then the good thing here is if I delete this one and then go to the GIBS. So here, lifting, look, click, that's it. So you have already the lifting anchor. So now with this lifting anchor, here, if you can see here, inquire cash unit. So here you have two lifters, okay? Now, edit custom component. So let's do it quickly. Okay. Under the edit custom component, here, the first thing to do is bind bind all the handle to where? Always at the center of the wall. Unless you want to move that one on the center of the thickness, then you can add parameter. But at the moment, in this example, I will just use the center plane. I click bind to plane. Actually, you can also use the component plane. It's the same. Okay, but this one I'll use the center plane and then click. So meaning I need to have a eight variable. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All zero. Why 8? 2 points for the two handle for the lifting, two handle for the spear. Times 2, 8. Okay. Now, next is uh okay. So that one here, I'm going to also bind this one on the top. Bind that one on the top. So you can see you have 30 and then 30. Okay, that's fine. I can just simply hide this one and then, okay, leave it 30. Leave it 30. Because meaning it's always on the top of the surface. Okay? Of the wall. Now, these two, I need to bind also this one from the top. From the top. As you can see here, I have the 20 and 120. So meaning I'm going to add two handle. This one is 20 and then this one is the 120. Or sorry, maybe I'll put here 100. So 20 is the lifting distance from top, and then this one is lifting length. Okay, so hide this one, and then 20. I'll just change this one to equals to P2. This one is also equals to P2, and this one is equals to P1 plus P2. Okay, copy this. Copy this. So meaning, oh, wait. Why P1? Oh, sorry. P2 is, no, this one is P1. Yeah. So meaning here, if I type here a longer one, 250, it will be long, right? 100. Okay.
How do you jump the? How do you set the height multiple times in a quick section? Is it H, tab H or whatever?
Which one?
Let's say now I want to make all your D11 until D16 to be shown for the visible.
This one?
How do you jump just not so quick?
I put, okay, look here. If I type here S,
Oh, so S down.
yes, then
okay.
H. Yeah.
Because I can't multi-select.
Yeah. You cannot multiply, but you can type taka.
Down. Okay.
I usually do that one. Taka. Okay, so now here the question here is, do you want to automate this one or do you want to control the side? The reason why I ask, it depends on you. Controlling the side meaning I can select this one and then bind it here to the side and put the dimension.
Usually lifting is automatically assigned according to the panel's CG.
Yes, that's right. So if that one is the case, then another way is something like, first you need to find the what do you call that? The CG here. Something like inquire center of gravity. So here, where's the center of gravity here? Why it doesn't show? It show only this. Usually there's a point here, topic, right? Okay. Why it doesn't show the center of gravity? Wait. Maybe because of the yes, it's the points. The points is not there. So here, if you inquire center of gravity, still not there. But here, this is the value of the center of gravity, 459,000, and that is the location of the center of gravity. You can find that one in the drawing actually. Now, okay, because for that. Okay, because we're inside the we're inside the custom component. Yeah, we're inside the custom component. Anyway, what I will do is at the moment maybe we can collect this 3,000. Maybe let's say for example L over 4. L over 4. So for the meantime, L over 4. So it still need to be, okay, this one, Alt key, and then bind here. Bind here. Okay? So that one is 700. Okay? And then of course this one is equal. Then Alt key, and then bind here. Okay, if it is more manual, I need to add parameter. Okay, I need to add parameter and then equate. So let's say P3 is D17 up to D24 is equals to P3. Okay, if I want to do that one, right? So here I can just put here 700. But I'm not going to do that at the moment. what I will do is I will use this one to the division. Let's say this one is 4. This 4. So meaning this one is the I don't know what you call that one. Something like this value is for the percent. Okay. No, no, not all. Yeah, 25% is something like percent. This
20% is over 5,
oh
right?
yeah, yeah, L over 5. So anyway, this 4 is something like I don't know what you call that value, the dividing value. Oh, let's say dividing value. Okay, for the meantime. Okay, so now again here, if I click on this and then create this distance. Okay, so 3,000, right? 3,000. So for this 3,000, I can add another parameter wherein I will equal to D25 divided by P P3. Okay, 750, correct? And then hide. So meaning this P4 copy, I'm going to equate this one here. Eh, sorry. Sorry. Copy. Eh, eh, how come? Copy. Okay. So as you can see here, the total length of the wall, it will divide into 4 and then that will be the value, the position of your lifting. Okay? So now, should be okay now. So lifting anchor, distance, and then close it. Ah, see here, okay, look. Here, if I'm going to have if I'm going to change the position of this one, move here. See this? Automatically, but again, if,
CGA is not automatic now.
but again, this one, if I change this one to 5, modify, so 20%. If,
You set the formula, yes.
yeah, if I put here 30%, so I divide into 3. So 4 is a 25%. So something like that. I mean, one way. It's one way, okay? Ah, so the CG is also calculated there. Oh, sorry. Okay, anyway, here, again, it will be, if you move this one here,
The CG is not updating now. In this
yeah, the CG is not updating. It's not dynamic. Edit custom component, I need to, actually, I need
also
to
need to
remove.
buy the CG.
No,
You cannot
it's,
see
I
the
cannot,
CG.
I cannot see, I cannot
Yeah,
see.
you cannot see the
That one is
CG.
just the indication.
See.
Okay. Okay, anyway, now this is the lifting. So meaning if I have another okay, if I have another beam here, so meaning here, lifting, select, there you go. So and then see this one, see, nicely done. Redraw, so it will be nicely done. So here, if you create now the drawing for this, look, create cast unit drawing, and then this one is the wall. Okay, look, the presentation of the wall here, a simple presentation here. See here. So there's a dimension there, 9750, and there you go. Okay, so now that is the detail. That is the detail. Now let's say I I uh, I add some more detail. So let me just remove this one, remove this one. One of the detail that I can add is something like create 3D view. Okay, close this one. All right. So here, let me just add an opening. Just to give you the idea, I don't have all those details here. Okay, so here I have a 600. So something like this. And then detail, edge distance. This one is also a detail, edge corner, because if I click on this, it will give me the detail of the edge. So meaning it will give me this edge, yeah, trimmer bar. And then also the mesh. This is also a detail. So remember, I have the edge distance and then I have the mesh. So this one is the, so if you notice here, I need to click 3 times, right? 3 times. Wherein, okay, let's see if this one works. Here, if I want to add this one, I can select this detail manager, detailing manager. All right, see here. So, yes, yes. So here, there's a rule. So the first component is I'm going to call the GIBS, this one, lifting. Okay, lifting. Attributes, I don't have the attributes. Component input, part plus 1 point. No, it's only part. Meaning, if I click the part, that's it. No need to click 1 point. And then filter, standard. It's okay. Then, so let's say this one, I'm going to rename this one as lifting. Okay? Lifting. Okay? Then plus. Okay? The next rule set is the edge. Edge. So at the moment, I don't have any, it's just attributes is the standard and then pick part, then that one is for the edge or trimmer bar. Okay? Then here, I'm going to use the mesh. Okay, and then this one is mesh. Actually, actually here, I can also add an opening because my opening is manual. The opening that I put is manual. So, or, or, what I will do is I'll keep this one. You want okay, yes. I'll keep this one. I'll save this one as CIBS, okay, save. So I'll leave this one first and then maybe I'll just delete this one. Instead, I'm going to use my, remember the CIGB? Remember my precast wall? So, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So meaning, in this case, I can just simply say no. Right? And then this one, I'll just simply say 0 to 1. All right. So I have 3 conditions here. Right? So now, redraw. Okay. So now, what I will do is select objects and component, and then here, I'm going to select this one, and this one. And then here, create on selected object. Create on selected object. So here, different condition. Let's see if that one works. Whoa. So here, will add that one. But of course, this one, I mean, it's not that constrained to the cut. That's why it's there. But I'm just giving you the idea that that one could be also on this one. But here, as you can see, I just selected three different wall with the same details. So using the detail manager, no need for you to go to each and every wall. But of course, you have to set up some rules here. And even something like at the moment, I did not use the attributes. Attribute is very useful as well because attributes, it will tell you maybe this one needs the attributes one, this one needs the attributes two. So what is that attributes? Maybe this one, the trimmer bar is the size is 10 millimeter. The other one, the trimmer bar is the size is 12 millimeter. So you can also use that kind of rule inside this detailing manager. So detailing manager means a detail, okay? Adding the details. So if you have a collection of details, this one will be good for you to use, okay? The connection, now if you may ask, hey, how about the connection? If I have especially for you, you have a standard connection, like let's say for example, your beam to beam, all the beam to beam connection, instead of going to all this, you know, a lot of, in the floor, there's a lot of beam connected to the beam, right? We can use the auto connection.
Auto connection.
By simply selecting everything, it will add the connection from this beam to this beam. But of course, you need to set up the rules. Okay, if this beam size is connected to this beam size, use this connection. So that one is also possible.
In detail manager.
That one is auto connect. Detail manager is for the detail. If it is connection, then that one is auto connection. The part, no, you need to add the part. There's no auto part. Is there any auto part? No. Unless you create a Excel file with the coordinates.
Yeah.
Excel file with coordinates, yes. Okay, so this one is the, yeah, okay. So here, it's, let's say, I'm going to create this, this drawing. So this one, if you click on this create drawing, let's say this one, cast unit drawing. So TS wall mold. Okay, and then this one, TS drawing. So here I created two drawings here. Let me check if that one works because this one is something like specific to, yeah. So this one is much more cleaner. So you can see the because this one is specifically for HDB. So here, oh, it doesn't capture the this one because of the naming. Because here in my naming here, it will if you notice here the dimensioning or the dimensioning, my naming is under the lifting hook. So meaning it will dimension if the name is the lifting hook. That's why it's very important since you're using the what do you call that, the proper naming. That one is very good because we can follow the proper naming and able for you to dimension all this kind of thing. Here it's something like, let's say for example,
Just have a look at your current drawing here. Can you zoom in to your lifter here?
Yeah.
Can you see that? M?
yeah.
And then it actually shows in your schedule, right? Your mold schedule, isn't it? You have the schedule here?
I don't have that here, but yes, it can be linked to that mold
So
schedule.
legit of it, that's what I'm talking about. All this tagging automatically
Correct.
automatically
Yes,
set up,
yes, it
and
will.
then it should be in the schedule. That way,
It will. It
not,
will.
not
I think
supposed
he
to.
did
He
already.
tried to do it in a UTA, which is a little bit more manual.
No, no, no. Actually, this one is actually, if you have a library of that, this one, it will automatically use. Yeah. So that one is okay. No, I think no issue
No
with that
issue,
one.
yeah,
We will do that. So let's say for example, this one. One example of this how to add is let's say is it why the whole? Why it's whole? Is it whole? No. Let's say if I add row, yeah, but doesn't show the why it doesn't show the whole here? Okay, let's delete row. Standard and then modify. It should add the dimension here. Huh? It doesn't show the dimension. But anyway, it's okay. Maybe this one is from the old version that I have. So I need to update this one. Anyway, I'm going to update this one according to the drawings that you send me for beams and columns, so that hopefully next week I can share to you the model as well as the drawing. Okay, so that's my task for next week.